Hello, this is Andrew with the Jander Group. Today we're in the Sutton Place subdivision of Cordova, Tennessee. This is 1621 Sawmill Creek. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It does have a bonus room on the second floor. As we enter into the home, there's tile flooring in the entry. This is an open floor plan concept. The dining room, great room, kitchen, and informal dining all connected. We're reviewing the dining room now. Now reviewing the great room with wood burning fireplace. The great room connects directly into the informal dining or breakfast area. The kitchen does come with all your standard appliances, side-by-side refrigerator, smooth top range, microwave, and dishwasher. There is a fully fenced-in backyard. With a concrete patio. Back to the kitchen. There's ample countertop space and cabinets. There's a pantry as well. This is the hallway leading to the garage and the utility laundry room area. This is a split floor plan with the master bedroom on one side, bedrooms 2 and 3 on the other. We're entering the master or primary bedroom now. This room does have ceiling fan, carpeted flooring, a spacious master or primary closet, attached gorgeous bathroom, separate shower and jetted tub, two-sink vanity, separate toilet area, and does have its own linen closet. On the other side of the home are bedrooms 2 and 3. We're walking to those now. We're in the hallway, which does have a linen closet. First, we'll view bedroom 2. This does have 3 beautiful windows, letting in a lot of natural light, and then standard double door closet. Back in the hallway, we have the linen closet. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are separated by a full hall bathroom, which does have a shower tub combo. Then on the rear is bedroom number 3. This bedroom also has a double door closet. Lastly, we'll go upstairs to view the bonus room. Again, this is accessed off the hallway that goes to the laundry and garage area. Up the stairs. To the bonus room, which could be used as a 4th bedroom, office space, and it does have its own closet. Thank you for viewing 1621 Sawmill Creek with us today.